What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Toyota CHR remote key fob. This CHR key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by holding this release that my finger's on. Hold this release over, and then the emergency key will pull out like that. Now if we hold the key fob with the buttons facing down, and we take a look at the bottom of it in that space where the emergency key just slid out of, we see there's this horizontal notch right here. And then if you notice, there's a little bit of a lip on this key. So what I'm going to do is stick the key in that notch like that, make sure it's all the way pushed in there, and then I'm going to twist it like I'm opening a lock with a key. And as I do that, it splits the two halves of the shell apart. Once we pull the back off, we can see our battery right here. And I'll grab the key and use the end of it just to get under the edge of the battery and pop it out of that holder. Then we'll grab the new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. And I'm going to kind of tuck this edge in first like that, and then snap it down into place. Then I'll snap the back cover of the shell on, slide the emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.